What it do, baby? If you're on this channel, you're trying to figure out how to make bubblegum lip gloss to get your lip gloss business going. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and hit the bell so that you can get notifications. We are the right channel for you. To make this bubblegum lip gloss, you're going to need a bowl, you're going to need gloves, and I like to use a popsicle stick because it's stronger than a spoon. You're going to need a syringe and a pipette. Let's get going. Reason number 6 you should subscribe to my channel is I'm going to show you exactly my business plan of how I generated over 12,000 sales and how this formula has netted me over 1,000 positive customer reviews. And if you're here to see how your lip gloss is made, honey, I got you. So first we start with the Logan the Empress lip gloss base. Then we're going to use our pigment. This is a cute pink pigment that looks exactly like lip gloss. Now, to my business owners and business enthusiasts, this formula is going to have your customers continuously returning back, and is also going to alleviate the headaches of trying to figure out not only how to get a great lip gloss base, but one that is shiny, hydrating, and creates a positive experience for your customers. Now you see me here mixing the lip gloss with the pigment. I like to mix for about 3 minutes, and I am mixing like I'm trying to save someone's life, honey. I am beating it with this little popsicle stick. I used to mix with the plastic spoon, but no, she mixes so hard that I literally broke the spoons like every single time. Every single time I broke the spoon. That's why I had to come in with these popsicle sticks, honey, because she's trying to save lives. Like, I'm trying to save lives with this lip gloss. People have gotten married with this lip gloss. People have gotten a man with this lip gloss. She is saving lives. So she cannot send this lip gloss out being partially mixed and having that pigment separate. We don't do that. So I continue to mix the lip gloss. And if you haven't mixed the lip gloss to the point where you have to stop for a second like I did, then go back to mixing the lip gloss, then you haven't mixed it well enough. Now this lip gloss base is going to give you a nice smooth consistency. It's going to make your customers happy. Here you see I added another dot of pigment, and the reason I did this is because I know that when it is in this container, because everything is close together, the color looks like it is very concentrated, but once you see when I pipe this into the tubes that it is not. So we have to make sure that everything is perfect. And that's what I'm here for. I'm here to show you how to get that perfect, nice, smooth consistency of lip gloss. Very last step when you're mixing lip gloss should be your flavoring. After you get your lip gloss to a great consistency, after you get it to a great pigment payout, then you'll add your flavoring and you'll mix it in. And again, you're going to mix that flavoring in for at least 2 minutes. And I know that seems like a long time, but I promise you it is not when you're trying to ensure that you have a great lip gloss for whether you're making it for you or your friends or for your lip gloss business. You want everyone to be talking about your lip gloss. You want your lip gloss name to stay on people's lips, and you will not be able to do that if you don't have a great product. And baby, while I'm mixing my lip gloss, things that I say to myself: I am beautiful, I am smart, I am creative, I will be successful. You have to infuse not only yourself, but your lip gloss with positive affirmations. Whenever you get to a point where you feel insecure, you say, I am beautiful, I am worthy, I am successful, I am worth it, and I will be successful. Okay, baby, before we put our lip gloss in the vials, we have to check the consistency. So this is what you see me doing here. This is my consistency check, and I'm making sure that my lip gloss is perfect to go into these vials. Something that no one talks about is that freshly made lip gloss changes its consistency after you make it. So after you make your lip gloss, then you need to let it sit for at least an hour. If you can be patient, let it sit to the next day. Something that I never ever do is take raw lip gloss that I've just received from the supplier, make a lip gloss, and then send it out to the customers. No, honey, you got to be patient, and you got to let that lip gloss sit to make sure that it's not thin out, and that make sure that the lip gloss does not separate from the pigment. So now I'm setting out the vials of lip gloss. If you didn't know it by now, my favorite color is pink. So more than likely when your lip gloss containers come to you, they will be pink unless I decide to do like a revamp of my lip gloss business. Everything comes to you pink. Now we're going to add our lip gloss to the container by using a pipette that is attached to a syringe. If you want me to send you a video on how that is done, where you can attach your pipette to the syringe without adding tape, please leave a comment down below. When the Logan the Empress lip gloss is up to quality standard, it is time to add it to the vials. I really never had the desire to own a business. I just wanted to go to work, get paid, rinse and repeat. But during the pandemic, as a registered nurse, I lost my job. I was very cocky about being a nurse, and I never thought that something like this would ever happen to me, and it completely shook up my world. I actually went into a depression for a little while because I never ever thought that would happen to me. I've driven across the entire country. I was away from my family, and I take care of my son by myself, and it was just me and him. And on top of me losing my job, he now was at home with me all day long, and I've never experienced that, like endless days with my son by myself, no income coming in. And that really like changed my life, changed my outlook on life, changed my perspective of life. And that's when I started my lip gloss business. And I just really got serious about my lip gloss business in December. I perfected my website. Well, your website is never perfected, but I worked on my website. I worked on my marketing, and in late January, I started to really get sales. I was getting sales before that, like every a sale here and there. But late January, I was starting to really get sales. And since January, I have gotten sales every single day. I have not missed a day, and I'm really grateful. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. If you want to purchase our products are available at LoganTheEmpress.com, LoganTheEmpress.etsy.com. We are grateful for your support, and we love you, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.